Did you hear about the $11 billion that just piled into Ethereum in the last 2 days? That's right, folks. Big money is moving, and we're going to break down what's cooking in the crypto world. First up, let's talk about Iggy Azalea. Yeah, the rapper. She's getting deep into the Solana scene. She's now the creative director for a new launchpad called Thrust. Now, what's a launchpad? Think of it like a special platform where new crypto projects, especially those celebrity tokens, get launched and promoted. It's where they start their journey. Her own token, Mother, is even making the move over to this new spot. This whole thing just shows how wild and popular these celebrity coins are getting, especially on a fast network like Solana. It's a whole new game out there. Next, let's jump into the big leagues with Ethereum. In just 48 hours, a mind-blowing $11 billion worth of ETH got scooped up. That ain't chump change. That's serious action, folks. When you see that kind of massive cash flowing in, it often signals that a big breakout could be just around the corner. A breakout means the price is about to blast past a tough resistance level, like a ceiling it couldn't get through before, and potentially shoot way higher. Everyone's got their eyes glued on ETH, wondering if it's finally going to make that massive move. This is not financial advice. And finally, we got to talk about Cardano. Its trading volume, which is just the total amount of a crypto being bought and sold, it absolutely rocketed up 63%. That's a huge jump in activity. High volume like that usually means there's a ton of interest and a lot of action happening, and it can be a strong sign that a rebound is coming. A rebound is when a price that's been down in the dumps starts to recover and climb back up. Cardano's definitely looking to make a strong comeback here. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.